Hey everyone, Dave from Repairs Rule. I've shown you my yard and different things about this property, and it's on a hillside. And I've got videos from mowing, mower tires, and so on, and the mower sliding on the hill, and found the right tires that really work real well. And there's some other things that goes on. Or problems that you have living on a hillside. So I wanted to show you a couple of different things that I've done here that have worked out real well for me. So let me show you those. Okay, so first thing I wanted to show you is we terraced our lot. You can see we didn't want the slope right out the back door. When we built the home, we had the lot terraced. So we've got a nice flat area when we come out of the back of the house. But that leads into this terrace, which is fairly steep, going out into our yard and down over our hill. So we've tried several different ways of mowing this terrace, and with mowers and with different kinds of weed whackers and so on. And I do have a video that's coming up about this. Um, we found an Ego weed trimmer that just absolutely knocks this stuff down in a hurry. So that's one thing. And our raised garden beds are here on this lower terrace. So having an issue going up and down, I went ahead and built some steps for my wife so she can come up and down easily and tend to her garden. But one of the things here about the steps that's worked out real well, underneath these steps, you won't be able to see it because of the lighting here, but I used roofing shingles underneath those steps. Worked out absolutely great. We have no weeds at all growing out from underneath those steps. But like I already mentioned, the mowing has been an issue, and these tires that I bought for sliding on this hill absolutely worked wonderful. And I do have a video already up on those tires, and I will post that here at the end. Check that out. Those tires worked absolutely great. Okay, on recent video, I talked about the Generac. We have a video coming up on the installation of the Generac. Again, now we're on a hill, and that was a problem. As you can see, the back corner of the pad is right against the ground, but down here in the front, as it goes around, there's a big drop. So what I did is I went and got these landscaping blocks from our local Lowe's store and put these blocks in. And the filler that's in behind, our installer highly recommended. Actually, he provided it. And this stuff has concrete mixed into it. So once it's in and you water it, or if it rains enough, but we've been watering it here in the fall, it will set up really hard, almost like regular cement. So after I get these little rocks cleaned up around the edge, let me back up here a little bit. It takes care of the slope issue. And I think it came out real well since I've never done the landscaping blocks before. I'm sure there's some other people that could tell you how to do that properly, but overall, I think it came out really nice, took care of the slope. Now let's get on to the next item. Okay, I'm back here on the level part out of the back of the house here, and you can see clear up in the corners is where I have our security lights that lights up our hillside, and it's way up there, 2 stories up, and those bulbs have to be changed, and it's not a problem down here with an extension ladder. But over here on this hill, it's a problem. So as you can see, I just replaced this light up here with a new LED. And if you check out my ladder, you can see the ladder is straight. But I'm on a hillside. So what I did, and I hope this will help some of you, we actually had a local guy here not very long ago, because of these angles and so on, somewhere else, fell off his ladder and he actually died. So I wanted to try to do something here to, prevent anything like that happening. So what I did, here's the cure for me. Here's our slope, and here's my cure. What I did here was I took treated lumber and I drilled and attached the treated lumber right to my ladder. And I made this long enough that when I'm up on that ladder, I could reach way out to the side without that ladder tipping over. But on the other side, the downhill side needed something. So since I have a welder, I welded a bracket and bolted that bracket onto that treated lumber. And as you can see, it's adjustable to the hillside. So now I would suggest, buy a piece of treated lumber, take some pictures of this, take it to a local welding shop and tell them what you're after. Now, if I use this on the other side of the house, all I will do is unbolt the bracket here, and I'll drill holes on this side and move the bracket over here. Or the easier way, since I already have a welder, is I'll just make another one, and I'll just take the extension tube out or remove it completely. Better yet, all I need to do, thinking about it, is make the top bracket, and I'll pull the extension out and then move the extension over to the other side when I'm on the other side of the house. So anyway, a ladder cure for Hillside. I'm going to show you here now. You can see from the siding the slope of the yard here, and going straight up the ladder to my light and my gutters. The ladder straight, and it makes it feel much more secure. So anyway, a little tip for you, some different things about living on a hill, where you can use landscaping blocks to do some jobs that you need. You can make brackets for your ladder. Always be careful up on a ladder, guys. You know that. Our slope, our terrace, and we've got, like I said, a video will be coming up about that ego trimmer. Easy way to build some steps and how to protect the vegetation from growing out between the steps using the shingles underneath them. And then, of course, like I already mentioned, the zero turn tires that I will have up here. It's already up, actually. Another video on it that you can go check out. They're Maristar tires. It's a combination tire between a regular turf tire and a tractor tread. And I'll tell you what, they work great. Absolutely love those things. So I do realize that many of you may not live on a hillside, but if you do, hopefully these tips will help you out. Or if you know somebody else, a friend, family member that has a hillside, you might want to share this video with them, and maybe you can help them out too. So until next time, guys, be safe, watch those ladders, and I will see you guys on the next video.